Good morning student. We will continue our chapter perimeter and area, and today we will discuss topic path around the area of rectangle. See here given to you one question. A garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. एक garden दे रखा है हमें. We make firstly diagram. Suppose ABCD is a garden and this garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside around it along its border. 5 meter wide path given है. It means इसके above 5 meter, downside 5 meter, here also above 5 meter, downside 5 meter, this 5 meter, this 5 meter, this one also. It means we can say there is a path like this. So outside rectangle, suppose it represent EF, GH. This garden is given to you ABCD, and outside path. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside all around it along its border. इसके border के बाहर की तरफ हमने एक path बनाया है जो 5 meter wide है. It means length breadth 5 meter increased, length also 5 meter increased. तो what is the length of GH? अगर हम breadth निकालें GH की तो GH क्या हो जाएगी 75 plus this one 5 plus this 5, that is equal to 85 meter. Similarly this one 90 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 100 meter. So we want to find out the area of this path, means area of this shaded region. Then how to find out area of this shaded region? We can say area of EF, GH minus area of ABCD. कि हम जो outer rectangle है उसमें से अगर inner rectangle को minus कर दें, then we can find out the path here. So what is the area of path? Firstly, that rectangle ABCD represent garden. ये garden को represent कर रहा है और we can say we want to find out shaded portion, shaded part is path here. Then to find the area of path, we can write down area of path is equal to area of rectangle EFGH minus area of ABCD. Rectangle, then what is the, for this firstly in EFGH, what is the value of EF? EF is equal to 90 plus twice, FG is equal to 90 plus twice of 5, that is 90 plus 10 is equal to 100 meter. EF is equal to 75 plus twice of 5, that is equal to 75 plus 10 is equal to 85 meter. Now put in this area of path is equal to area of EFGH, that is 100 into 85 minus area of ABCD, that is 90 multiplied by 75. Then solve it, you find out the area of shaded region. It means when the path runs outside, it means कोई rectangle है, कोई surface है, उसके बाहर की तरफ अगर कोई path है, उसके outside में है, तो width of the path should be added to length and breadth of the inner rectangle. It means अगर हमें उसकी width जो है, जो भी उसकी width होगी, हम उसको क्या करेंगे outer part की dimensions निकालने के लिए length में भी add कर देंगे. क्या upper side 5, down side 5, it means 5 plus 5 10 here also, और breadth में भी add कर देंगे. So this time we can find out the area of shaded region if path runs outside of the given rectangle. Now see the next. Suppose a path runs inside. Another question, see now. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border inside a square park of side 30 meter. Find the cost of covering the remaining portion of the park by grass at rate of 2 per square meter. See here, a path 1 meter wide is built along the border inside a square park. एक square park है, which one is 30 meter, side is given to you 30 meter. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border inside a square park of side 30 meter. Find the cost of covering the remaining portion of the park by grass at the rate of 2 per square meter. तो इसके अंदर क्या किया गया है, एक पाथ बनाया गया है. ये पाथ है 1 मीटर वाइड. अगर ये 1 मीटर वाइड है तो इसकी लेंथ क्या रहेगी, 1 1 2, इट मीन्स दिस इज 28 meter and this one also 28 meter because it is a square park. तुमसे क्या पूछा गया है कि इसको कवर करने के अंदर इसमें जो ग्रास लगानी है हमें वो कितने find the cost of covering the remaining portion of the park by grass at the rate of 2 per square meter. जब इस इतने पार्ट्स को इसको कवर कर लिया गया, वी राइट डाउन ABCD इज द स्क्वायर पार्क, EFGH दिस वन, कि इतना जब पाथ ले लिया गया तो उसके बाद इसमें रिमेनिंग पोर्शन ऑफ द पार्क को ग्रास से अगर हम कवर करना चाहे तो क्या कॉस्ट लगेगी. देन व्हाट वी कैन डू, फर्स्टली फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ दिस रिमेनिंग पोर्शन, दैट इज it is a square shape, it means side multiply by side, then we will find out 28 multiply by 28, that is equal to 784 meter square. 1 meter square rate is 2 rupees, it means total cost becomes 784 multiply by 2. तो remaining portion को grass से cover करने का cost क्या होगा, 784 multiply by 2 rupees. So you can find out कि if we have path outside, अगर outside path होता है तो उसमें जो width है वो length और breadth में add हो जाती है, और inside path होता है तो जो width है वो length और breadth में twice of the width should be subtracted from length and the breadth and maybe side. If it is a square then we will subtract from side, or if it is rectangle then we will subtract from length and breadth. Okay, one सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, सेंट्रल पाथ, कि सेंट्रल पाथ को कैसे सोल्व किया जाता है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग बाय सेंट्रल पाथ. वन क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टू यू, ए ग्रासी प्लॉट इज 80 into 60 मीटर. एक प्लॉट दे रखा है हमें, ग्रासी प्लॉट that is 80 meter into 60 meter. Two cross path each 4 meter wide are constructed at right angle. Two cross path मतलब एक पाथ ये है और एक पाथ ये है. Two cross path each 4 meter wide. It means ये जो है वो कितना है 4 meter wide है. Are constructed at right angles through the center of the field such that each path is parallel to the one side of the rectangle. Find the total area used as path. कि ये जो एरिया है इतना वो एज ए पाथ मतलब अगर हम इसको शेडेड कर दें तो हमें इसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट दिस एरिया? सी दिस वन is parallel to this line, so it means it is 80 meter, then it also 80 meter. If you give the name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. तो I find out the area of EFGH. EFGH पाथ का अगर एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है तो हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? इट इज अ रेक्टेंगल, इट मीन्स लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेड्थ. लेंथ दिस वन 80, then this also 80. Breadth, width is given to you 4. This is 320 square meter. Now find out the area of IJKL. Area of IJKL is equal to, now this line is parallel to this breadth, this is 60 meter, then length multiply by breadth, length becomes 4 meter, breadth becomes 60, that is 240 square meter. So adding it, by adding it we can find out this, but area of path is equal to area of EFGH plus area of IJKL. But if you see properly this portion, this one portion twice included, firstly included in this, then included in this. It means we have to subtract the area of this path. So what is the area of this path MNOP? This one 4 centimeter, this one 4 centimeter. So we write down area minus area of MNOP. The area of EFGH 320 plus 240 minus MNOP, length is 4, breadth is also 4, it means it is a square. So 4 multiplied by 4, that is 60. 0, 4 to 6, 3 to 5, minus 16, 10 minus 6, 4, 5 minus 1, 4, 544 centimeter square, meter square. So this time we can find out cross path, central path, area of central path. Okay, see, now the next question. In this, two cross path is given to you. Diagram is given to you. Here, length 94 meter, breadth 32 meter. Now, 2 meter. Question is, there is a rectangular field of length 94 meter, breadth 32 meter. 3 roads each of width 2 meter pass through the field such that 2 roads are parallel to the breadth and third is parallel to the length. It means 2 roads are parallel to the breadth. ये breadth है इसके parallel है and 1 road is parallel to the length. Find the area of the field covered by the 3 roads, not covered by the roads. 2 meter, it is given to you width of this 2 meter. This one 2 meter, then this one 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, like this. How to find out the area of this? Firstly, if we find out the area of this ABCD, EF, GH, IJ, KL, MN, OP, QR, ST. 4 rectangles are here. If we want to find out the area of ABCD, then this one 94, then this also 94, and breadth is 2 meter, that is 94 into 2 square meter, that is equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 188 square meter. Next, you can find out the area of EFGH. EFGH is equal to this one breadth 32 multiply by 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 30, this square meter. Similarly, you can find out the area of this portion. Then here now 2 squares are common in this. कि जब हम इसका एक बार फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं, when you crossing it, it's revising again. So it means we have to find out. For the find out the area of path, we write down area of ABCD plus area of EFGH plus area of IJKL minus area of MNOP minus area of QRST. Then you can find out the area of the path. Second question, not covered by the roads. Roads जो cover किया है, we find out this area. Not covered by roads, how to find out? We find out the area of this complete rectangular field, then minus area of roads. Then you find out not covered by the roads. So this is your type 2 questions of your, these are the examples, type first and second. Now here is one more example, that there are 2 parallel path to rectangle, to length, and 2 parallel path to breadth. Then also what you have to find out? You have to find out the area of this region. Then after this one region, 3, 4, all the areas added. Then after these 4 areas subtracted, then you can find out the area of the given path. Okay student, now you can attempt your exercise 16B. Just try and practice 14B. Exercise do practice. Okay student, thank you. Have a nice day.